students, welcome back to Social Studies. What all we learned at previous class? We learned solid, liquid, gas. What are those? States of matter. What is matter? Matter is nothing but that anything that occupy the space as well as it has no weight. It has no weight. No, it has a weight. It is called as matter. Okay. Everybody did this homework? Yes. Now we will go states of matter. Previously only I explained. Now we will see comparison. Okay. Solid. Particles, it is a solid or closely packed usually in a regular pattern. Yes, if I take as example how that or as the table or the chocolate, how it will be packed in the regular pocket, right? Yes. If see this is the pencil, how it is made? It is made in the form of circle, right? It is made of form of circle. Yes. Solid do not flow. Can this solid can flow? If I take as example, this pencil can flow. No. Solid always cannot flow. Next. Particles is a solid vibrate but cannot move past each other. Yes. See, if I take as example, one more I'll show through it. See, I have 3 pens. Yes, right? It can move without my action. Can it move? No, it will always be in the place of constantly, right? It won't move. Yes. Next one, solid return their shapes. Yes, obviously for each and every solid it will be a shape. For this pencil hand is own shape. For this pen hand is own shape. Yes. Solid cannot be compressed. Yes, obviously solid cannot be compressed. Yes. Now we will see liquid. Particles is in the liquid are close together with no regular pattern. Yes, obviously. Can I see this milk? Yes, this milk are close together without pattern. There is no pattern. There is no limit. For liquid, it won't have any limit. Yes, it will be close together always. That how the class will be on same quantity or on a same shape of a container, it will be shown. Yes. Particles is a liquid flow. It can easily move the slide past and one another. Yes, obviously, if you take one water bottle off of the water bottle, how the water will be flow? If you shake it, it will flow from slightly, or it will move very easily. Why it will move very easily? Due to a liquid formality, right? Yes. Liquid do not retain their shapes. They take their shapes of container they are in. Yes, obviously what I said. This is a juice. If we pour in this glass, if we pour a juice, what it will do? A glass shape of a container. Yes, it will take a shape of the glass. Whichever we pour the liquid form of juices, it will be poured. Liquid cannot be compressed. Yes. See, solid wherever we keep, it will. But liquid it won't, because it is in the form of liquid. But solid, it is closely packed. Yes. Next we'll see gas. Particles is a glass or closely packed with no regular pattern. Yes, obviously. For this, if I take as example as a balloon, and the balloon, if you blow the air, obviously it will be always loosely packed, right? However, how much ever you blow the air, that much big the balloon will be very big, right? Yes, it is nothing but closely packed. Particles as a gas vibrate and move freely at the high speed. Yes. How much if you blow air very speedily, what it will do? It will move with high speed and it will vibrate the gas to the inside of the balloon, right? Yes. Gas take the space on its container. Yes, obviously what the gas will do? It will take how much ever it require the space into the container. See, this is a cylinder. How much the cylinder need the gas? It will occupy the space in this container. Okay. Yes. Gas can be compressed. Yes, gas is also can be compressed. Solid cannot be compressed. Liquid cannot be compressed. Gas can be compressed. Yes. We learned these three, right? Solid, liquid, gas. Yes. Now we'll see. This is solid, liquid, gas. Milk. What is milk? We have to, in this, we have to divide which is solid, which is liquid, which is gas. Milk. What is milk? Liquid or gas? Yes, milk is liquid. Marble. Marble is solid, liquid or gas? Marble. Hair oil is solid, liquid or gas? It is liquid. Oxygen, it is liquid or gas? Gas. Right? So, I wrote a 4 words. Rest of you should fill it. This will be your homework. Clear? Yes. Divide which all solid, which all liquid, which all gases. You have to divide it and you have to fill those boxes. This will be your homework. Okay. Yes. Next we'll see matters exist in 3 states. Yes, obviously we got to know which are those: solid, liquid and gas. Right? Yes, what is this? A block of a or what is this? Juice in a glass. Gas inside the cylinder. What is this? LPG. Right? Now, look at the picture. Represent the different states of matter in solid, liquid, gases. Below each picture, draw one thing and representing the same status of matter and write it names. Yes. Now, what I'll do, I'll write the solid. Okay. Yes. Which is the solid? Solid is the, I'll take as example, eraser. I'll take as example, eraser. This is nothing but it is a solid. What I took? Solid. Eraser. Now we will see liquid. What I'll take for liquid? I'll take it water. A glass of a water. What I'll take for liquid? A glass of water. For gas, I'll take it as balloon. What is this? Balloon. For gas, I will take balloons. Okay. Yes. Now, what all we got to know? Solid is air is air, liquid is a glass of water, gas is hydrogen balloon. This is also you have to write in your, you have to fill in page number 8. Okay. Anyway, thank you students. This will be your homework. Page number 7 will be your homework. Okay students. Bye. See you at next class.